Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss one JEE advanced question from the circles. So that will be explaining here. First we'll write down the question. The question is, here is the question number 9. The circles of radii. The question number 9 is follows here. The circles of radii 2, 2, 1. The circles of radii 2, 1, 1, 2, 1 touch each other externally. Touch each other externally. Touch each other externally. If a circle of radius r, if a circle of radius r, if a circle of radius r touches all the three circles, touches all three circles externally, then R is options are root 2 minus 1, B root 3 minus 1, C root 5 minus 1, D root 5 minus 2. Root 5 minus 2. So now the solution is follows here. I have to draw the three circles first of all regarding this one. So these three circles can be drawn here is just attached to this circle, then touch the circles. Now you can just minimize the circle also, and which touches both the circles in this case. Okay, now these three circles drawn, in this case it is, suppose if you draw this one, Now, so you can draw this line now. In this case, from here to here is like this, and one more. And one more. Now these three circle, okay, radius with a different lengths will be given here is 2 comma 2 comma 1 touch each other externally. In this case it is. So now we have to draw these lines, okay, with the different radii. We called as somewhere it is. Now this is 1 unit, and this is also 1 unit, and this is 2 units here. This is also 2 units, and this is also 2 units it is, and this is also 2 units it is. Now in this case A, B, C. This is A here, and this is B here, and this is C here. So A, B, C are the triangle, and from here to here is the next point. If you draw this one exactly, I have to draw one more line, that is which is known for D it is. So that is exactly which is comes with this the lane. This is the point is D there, so it's going which touches the point, right? Now therefore this is, I have to draw it as a D it is, where we can draw this point is line, okay. From here it is smaller, and this is the same point which is touches at this point is D there. This is the meeting point of D this. Okay, now when you take so from here to here is total length is capital to here to R is D itself. So now here the points is coming to the solution in this case. So the solution here is follows here. First let assume that the names them as capital A minus 2 comma 0. Let capital A is minus 2 comma 0, B is 2 comma 0, and C is point on y-axis 0 comma alpha, and D is 0 comma beta. It is 0 comma beta. Be the centers of 4 circles. Be the centers of be the centers of centers of the 4 circles. So one more circle will be there in this precision. This is its circle. One more. So that will be a small difference you should take out. And there is, this is D. This is the one is D. Okay. So now, therefore, this circle will be here is, which is exactly little different will be there in this case. Centers of 4 circles. Centers of 4 circles. Now we have to find out the distances. AC square is equal to, you know, from AC is nothing but 2 plus 1 here is. So here AC square is equal to 2 plus 1 whole square. So that is equal to, so distance between the A to C, that is, we know already A minus 2 comma 0 and C is 0 comma alpha. Hence this will become here is, so minus 2 minus 0 whole square will become here, so 2 square, and plus alpha minus 0 whole square will become alpha square it is. So therefore that implies here, so alpha square plus 4 is equal to, so 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 means it is 3 square, 3 square will become 9 it is. That implies alpha square is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 it is. Therefore alpha is equal to root 5. Alpha is equal to root 5 it is. Therefore that the point C is equal to, so C is equal to, in this case is root 5, 0 comma root 5 it is. 0 comma root 5, and CD square is equal to, in this case r plus 1 whole square. CD is equal to, that means r and 1 it is here, it's 1 unit from here to here is r plus 1. CD square is equal to CD, we can draw this one, C to D it is, this to this position it is, we're taking r, and in this case it is r plus 1 whole square is equal to, r plus 1 means it is, you call it as a distance between the C to D in this case. So C to D, why r we are taking is because that radius will be there already from here to here is, so from here to here will be the center to radius, the distance is r, and from here to here is 1 unit. So because it's whatever the distance will be there from here to there will be the same as that, so here is 1 it is. So therefore now CD square is equal to r plus 1 whole square it is. That r plus 1 whole square is equal to root 5 minus beta whole square. Why this is equal to means it is just finding the values of r it is. So fourth external radius is r square plus 2r. Okay, in this case if you take it as r plus 1 whole square and root 5 minus beta whole square gets cancelled. That how do you know this already root 5 minus beta? Because here already C we know and D also we know, that is 0 comma beta in this case. So therefore both sides will be cancelled, therefore we have to take it as r plus 1 is equal to, so just we have to remove this one like this it is, eraser, we'll write it again, this is beta, and this will become only r square it is. Now therefore this will be beta, and this is r plus 1 is equal to root 5 minus beta it is. Now from here result is, I can find out that value of beta is equal to, so beta is equal to means I will take left hand side, remaining right hand side, so root 5 minus r minus 1 it is, so that is beta value. Now here we found that CD also, beta found we already, so alpha already we know root 5, so we require to find out that distance is r value, so distance, main radius is r is required for us. Now AD square is equal to, AD square it is A to D, so from here to here this is A to D it is, so A to D, so therefore A to D means it is, that is r plus 2 whole square, so 1 plus 1 will become it is 2, and r plus 2, r is the radius already we know that, so A to D is equal to, therefore r plus 2 whole square it is, the total radius, r plus 2 whole square is equal to, that is equal to 4 plus beta square, 4 plus beta square it is. We have taken assumption D as 0 comma beta, so therefore that implies here r square plus 4r plus 4 is equal to 4 plus that root beta square value, we already know this is, so root 5 minus r minus 1 whole square it is. Then upon simplification, this is equal to r square plus 4r plus 4 is equal to 4 plus and 5 plus here r plus 1 whole square it is, r square plus 2r plus 1 and minus 2 root 5 r and minus 2 root 5 it is. Upon simplification, now r square and r square gets cancelled in this case, this one. So that implies here the remaining, if you write down that, so 4r plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5 9 and minus 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 plus 2r minus 2 root 5r minus 2 root 5. Then what happened here is, just upon simplification, see that here 2r minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5. If I am taking this is 4r 2r to left hand side, so 4r minus 2r will become here is a 2r and 10 minus 4 will become it is 6 and minus 2 root 5r minus 2 root 5r minus 2 root 5 it is. What I have to do is, so 2r we'll take it as r terms one side, 2r plus 2 root 5r is equal to 6 plus 6 minus 2 root 5 now. So that implies taking 2 common here is 2r common, 1 plus root 5 is equal to 2 common here is 3 minus root 5, 3 minus root 5. Then further 2 gets cancelled again, so r is equal to, what happens here is 3 minus root 5 by root 5 plus 1, so into root 5 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1. You have to do rationalization. So then upon simplification, 3 into root 5 3 root 5 and 3 into 1 minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus root 5 into root 5 is minus 5 and minus into minus plus root 5 it is, divided by, so a plus b into a minus b will become 4 it is. Now 3 root 5 plus root 5 will become 4 root 5 it is, 4 root 5 and minus 8 divided by 4 it is. That is equal to, so 4 gets cancelled, so root 5 minus 2. So therefore the final radius is equal to, external radius is equal to root 5 minus 2. So this is your final answer. Therefore the option is, it's a fourth option. Thank you.